Another night, another video, and no one is watching. Maybe I should just quit.
This is your problem. No focus. Random content.
It's my channel. My stories.
The algorithm doesn't care for stories. It cares for patterns. Data.
Your titles have no hook, no curiosity, no emotion. You don't grab them in 5 seconds.
My content is good. It's important.
Good is not enough. You must be magnetic. You must be consistent. 60 days. No matter what. This is the real truth.
You make videos for you, not for them.
Not for me. For them. So this is the game. A machine with rules. Fine. I'll learn to play.